Okay, good day, ma'am. So I am Marian M. Piñaranda. I am 35 years old. I am married for 6 years, but I was separated 2 years ago. And I am a high school graduate, and I am currently living here in the Philippines. My home address is Broran Dunsol, Sorsogon. I have six siblings, three brothers, and three sisters.
All right, thank you. Then how would you describe yourself?
I am a passionate, I am fast learner, honest and trustworthy, and I am dedicated to work.
All right, thank you. Then why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad because I want to support my family financially, and also for I want to save for my future.
All right. Then do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have working experience abroad. I worked in Saudi Arabia for 4 years. I started to work there October 3, 2018, and then I ended at October 30, 2022. And also, I worked in Dubai, United Arab Emirates for 2 years. I started to work there March 27, 2023, and then I ended April 30, 2025.
All right, thank you. Then did you finish those contracts?
Yes, ma'am. I finished the 4 years and then 2 years contract.
All right, thank you. Then what is your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper?
In Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, my duties and responsibilities are doing the household chores, cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing the clothes, mopping, cleaning, dusting, and also doing cooking their lunch.
All right, thank you. Then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have an experience taking care of the newborn baby in Dubai. I had a newborn baby there. I taking care of the newborn baby, and then a toddler 3 years old.
All right, thank you. Then how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I will become impatient and talk to them nicely and encourage them to play or draw and doing activities to attract their attention.
All right, thank you. Then how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I will check her diaper if it's full, and then I will change it immediately, or check if she's hungry and I will feed her a milk.
All right, then what will you do if you become homesick?
I will focus on my work and do my employees' needs. Remind myself that I am working for the future of my family and also for myself.
All right, thank you. Then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you really?
I
Mm-hmm.
honestly I have here the pets, the dog and cat, so I know how to take care the pets.
All right, good. And then how do you describe your cooking skills?
Since I work in Saudi and Dubai, I learned how to cook Arabic dishes, and also I know how to cook Filipino food like chicken adobo, sinigang, or fried food. And I am willing also to learn new dishes and also for my employer's meal.
All right, thank you. Then
I
do you have
am
any food
I am fast.
allergy?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
Do you
I
eat?
eat everything.
All right, good. And then do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am. I will respect my employers.
All right. Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing.
All right. For the last question, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Marian M. Piñaranda. I am 35 years old. I am married, but I don't have kids. I want to work abroad to support my family and give them their needs. I am cheerful, trustworthy, hardworking, and patient with the children. I promise that I will finish my 2 years contracts, that I am willing to learn how to cook your native food and that I to learn to speak your native language. I also promise to give you my best service, to treat your family like my own family, and to treat your children with patience and tender, loving care. Mom and sir, I hope you will choose me as your housemate. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.